In this video, I'm going to show you what it's like to use a Japanese moving company. So if you've been watching my second channel, Tokyo Zebra, you already know that Maiko and I are moving apartments here in Tokyo. If you haven't seen any of those videos and you want to see what we're doing in our regular lives, then definitely check out that channel. But in this video, I wanted to break down the moving process here in Japan and show you all the ins and outs of the entire move. But before we start our video, if you want to help support the channel, definitely check out the Tokyo merch. And I did ask the moving company, Hikkosi Center, if I could film this video, and not only did they say that I could film the video, but they would do it for free. So without further ado, let me take you behind the scenes of my move here in Tokyo. So before the actual moving and packing day, the moving company came over to inspect our place. Using a tablet, the coordinator confirmed what items and furniture would be moved to the new apartment and what would be thrown away.
通常ですね、荷造りの方は基本的にやっぱり皆さんイメージ通りで段ボールに詰めていくと。
After that, he thoroughly explains the move process and optional services. In the standard service, we pack on our own and the company moves our boxes and furniture to the new location. But since Maiko's 8 months pregnant, we opted for the full service, which includes packing and unpacking services, meaning we really only need to prepare the fridge and valuable items we may have. As I show you the entire process, let me know in the comments how it differs from your country. So the professional packers should be coming shortly. Basically what they're going to do is they're going to help us pack all of our stuff today, and then tomorrow the actual movers are going to come, and then the following day the professional packers will come back and they'll unpack everything for us. So from day one, I was blown away. I've never opted for this service before in my previous Tokyo moves, always opting for the standard service. First of all, the packers put on brand new pair of socks when they come into our apartment to ensure that they're not bringing in any dust from outside.
しといていただきたいんですね。わかりました。すぐ開けない。クローゼットも今日やっちゃう感じ。わかりました。
The service itself is called apron service, and rightfully so. The ladies are wearing aprons, and they specialize in packing and organizing. Before the apron service commences, the ladies lay down protective mats to ensure that the floors are not scuffed during the process. And since our studio apartment is so small, and we're still sleeping here tonight, they also covered our bed. On the boxes, the packers carefully note the details of what's being packed, where it came from, and its destination in the new place. By the way, they use red tape to indicate treat with extra care, yellow meaning that you need it right away at the new place, and white means it's a standard box. What's pretty cool about this service is that they pack everything, including your plates. They actually just pack it in normal boxes, just like the white boxes that you see behind me. But we wanted to show you the actual boxes to use if you don't get the full service. They'll send you this like really sturdy plastic box where it like collapses and then turns into a full box. And then it has like these little dividers where you can put your plates, your cups, your bowls, and it's pretty convenient. And you can see that Maiko is behind me doing it right now. How is it, Maiko?
Really easy.
Yeah?
Like you have to wrap it with the papers and stuff. You don't have to do it. It's so easy.
It is pretty easy if they were just to do everything for us.
Yeah, of course. So they actually have like different types. Like this is for Hozara, like small plates, like this, cups, this, and like you can like stack it up. And, like it's really hard, so safe.
The packers use these pre-constructed collapsible hanger boxes to move all the hanging clothes from the closet. This saves quite a bit of time and it's much cleaner than just dumping clothes in a box or even in the trash bag, which I've seen other people do before. Oh, and they also have a special box to carry shoes.
今日の梱包作業の方はこれで終わらせていただきます。あとは冷蔵庫の方を、それで私冷蔵庫の食品を入れるようにって言ってちょっともうビニールかけてご用意してありますので、はい。
Okay, so here we are. Half of the studio space is filled with boxes, with some boxes in the kitchen, but we still need to access the fridge and the bathroom, so they left a little space for us.
Now I just need to do the inside of the fridge, turn it off tonight, and I'm done.
So this is the second day of our move. We just woke up, took a shower. It was kind of weird sleeping with all of these boxes, kind of our last night here, but super excited for the movers to come and move all of our stuff to our new place. Anyway, the movers should be here shortly.
おはようございます。Hikkosi Center です。本日よろしくお願いいたします。
So this is day 2, and this is what would be included in the standard moving service. After a nice greeting, the movers carefully cover the apartment building floors, entrance doors, elevators, and even inside of the room, basically blanketing the entire moving route to ensure that they don't scratch, dent, or damage any parts of the building. And then before the movers start moving boxes and furniture, they greet the neighbors to let them know that they'll be moving today and apologize in advance for any noise and inconvenience that they cause. One thing that I really appreciated is that the movers also clean the furniture as they go, so they don't bring dust into the new apartment. It's super nice because some of my furniture has been in hard to reach spots, which has collected dust over many years. So it's only been about an hour and they've moved more than half of our stuff already. They're moving at lightning speed. It's pretty cool to watch all of this happen in person. So this cabinet behind me has a glass kind of door at the top of it, and I've been using it as a whiteboard this entire time, so it has kind of like a dry erase marker on it. And I've asked them to see if they can not actually erase that dry erase marker. We'll see if it actually comes back like intact at the next place. So when they move larger furniture, the movers use these quilted fabric tubes of different sizes to accommodate the type of furniture. I'm not sure though, but I don't think many countries use these quilted tubes. Anyway, let me know. They even prepare a special plastic cover for the mattress. For furniture that doesn't fit through the doors like this bed, they'll break it down and they'll actually rebuild it at the new place. And there you go, the trucks are all filled. And here's the bathroom all cleaned out.
先にごめんなさい。またお忘れ物がないっていうサインをすいません。積み込みの確認のサインになりますんでお願いします。はい。ありがとうございます。
Alright, so we just got here. The movers are here right now.
こんにちは。お世話になります。またよろしくお願いします。
So the movers just got here. They're gonna go downstairs into the hallway and do all like the wall protection and the ground protection. So what's actually pretty amazing is that at the previous apartment, they were able to move and like pick up everything within like 3 hours. So it's really, really fast. Now they're here, they took an hour lunch break, and yeah, let's see how the rest of the move goes. Oh, and he also changes into brand new socks at the new place as well. So even before they start, they put a protective cover on the floor, even inside of the apartment, especially in the high traffic area so they don't make any scratches. Also, they put covers along the walls, which is really nice. Movers also set furniture in specified places, so we don't have to move it later on. But in the case we do, the moving service does include one free layout change within 1 year after the move. When they bring in the boxes, they don't put them directly on the floor, but instead they use a cover sheet to protect the floor. Oh, and that's a cabinet that I'm using as a whiteboard. Let's see if they were able to preserve the writing I had on it. Oh nice, all the writing is still there.
それがどっち側がいいとかあります？
Please put that one in the middle and the other one here.
はい、わかりました。
Can you move it a little bit more to the left?
で、はい。
Perfect. Oh, and here are the clothes. How you doing again, Maiko?
Huh? I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm shopping for the stuff to store stuff.
The stuff to store stuff. Nice.
Yeah.
You go at it while these guys work. So good morning everyone, this is day 3 and our final day of moving with a Japanese moving company. The apron service ladies should be coming in the next few minutes to help us unpack all of our stuff. We have a ton of boxes to unpack, so it will be really nice to get their help, especially since Maiko's pregnant.
おはようございます。
一応ここがもともとリビング、あっちが寝室1。
First of all, I underestimated their unpacking service. The apron service ladies didn't just unpack our stuff, but they also organized things for us. In fact, they tell us that if we don't know how to organize, they'll teach us how to organize closets and kitchen cabinets. They even refolded our clothes and resorted them for our new closet configurations. And there you go, the closet looks much cleaner than before.
ブラシはもう箱出しします。
あ、出して大丈夫です。はい、お願いします。
They also provide free kitchen sheets to put on the bottom of the cabinets to cushion the pots and pans. Nice. So what do you think of them so far?
They're really good. Like, I'm doing makeup right now because that's what I most care about. But like, she's like reorganizing my stuff and like she's asking me like, oh, what do I wear often? Like what I don't usually use. And she's like refolding stuff for me because I'm like, めちゃくちゃだから。Yeah, so it's nice.
敷地で大丈夫です。
ゆっくりお願いします。奥様。はい。
And when they finish, they call headquarters on speakerphone and confirm that the unpacking has been completed to our satisfaction.
もしもし、電話がありました。
はい、これで終了いたしました。どうもありがとうございました。じゃあ元気な赤ちゃんも。はい。
ありがとうございます。
So that concludes the video, a whole 3 days, and we're completely done with moving. Having a Japanese moving company like Art made it just so easy. I've actually done several moves in Tokyo before, but never with a packing and unpacking service, and it made it so much easier and faster. Michael and I are not completely done outfitting this stuff, but we'll be doing that on the other channel, Tokyo Zebra. So if you want to see how this house turns out, then definitely check out that channel. If you want to help support the channel, check out the Tokyo and Osaka merch. Also, if you want to see what I'm doing on the daily, check out my Instagram account. Finally, if you want to see more videos about Japanese culture, food, and travel, then definitely hit that subscribe button and the bell button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.